What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add people on the Google Merchant Center. So you want to go ahead and log into Google Merchant Center, and you can easily access that if you're not sure by clicking apps on Google, and you can find the Merchant Center here and access it, right? So that's how you can quickly access it. Now, once you signed in, you scroll down on the left side and you want to go ahead and expand the settings here. If you don't already have it expand, so you can expand it, scroll down and you will see at the bottom access and services. You click on that. Now from this section here, you will be able to add users. As you can see right here, you have people and access, and all you have to do really is just simply click on where it says. So here you have people, and you can just basically click add people here, enter their email address, right, and then proceed next and continue. Or if you want to give email only access, right, you can just click on this and enter their email address. The name is optional, but you can add that in and invite them. And so that's it. So if I want to invite da 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 at gmail.com, for example, I can go ahead and type that in, and da 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 is the name, and you can just click invite. So that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. So this is how you can quickly invite people or add people on the Google Merchant Center. Very easy and very simple, guys.